Don't get too close. Just stay like 5 digits behind me. And stay on the sidewalk too. I'll get that later. Hello, happy Pi Day.
Happy Pi Day to you.
Scoot that way. Next, your shadow. What is pi anyway? Well, pi or pi is the number you get when you divide the circumference of a circle by the diameter of a circle. So, pi equals circumference over diameter. Happy Pi Day, March 14th, Apollo 300, yay! Alright, so I hope you liked the 314 digits of pi. I spent about 2 hours yesterday writing out digits of pi on the sidewalk like I did in 2015, past video. And unfortunately today it rained, oh no! So all the digits of pi got washed away, except for the ones under the tree, so that was good. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I made a ton of, fans while I was writing it because a bunch of people were at the park and they were all like, whoa, you're writing digits of pi. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Come back next Pi Day and maybe I'll do something cool that doesn't get washed away in the rain. Yeah, thank you for watching.